Morning, everyone. It's Friday, so I just want to go over a few things that needs to be done by the end of today. The first thing is your 30-minute sketch. So I posted the assignment in the Google Classroom. Make sure you upload that by the end of today. And the second thing is to go ahead and continue working on your stippling project. So at this time, I want to recognize some amazing in-progress work that's been done by both first period and fifth period. So here's the in-progress work for Hannah. Okay, so remember the goal is to use little tiny dots, okay, to create your values. So you can start with the darkest, or you can start with the lightest and work your way to the darkest. It's totally up to you. But the key to making your values is using little tiny dots. Okay, here's another one that's done by Adriana. And remember, Adriana used more fine dots to add the details. This one's she's doing an amazing job of working doing the eye on her frog. And here's one of basically gears by Nathan Malone. And then another picture by Celeste Gonzalez. Once again, this could be an amazing project. Take your time on it. We're going to spend a few days on this before we move on to a final. And last but not least, we have one by Sarah Forrester in fifth period. Once again, take your time. We're going to be working on this for a few more days. And then my goal by next Wednesday or Thursday is to introduce your final project for the semester. Okay? And that, good luck, have fun, and email me if you have any questions. Okay? Have a great day.